I was telling you about Nehemiah's leadership qualities. Where you wrote, can we read? Because you're just seated there. The leadership qualities of Nehemiah. Number 1, he was faithful. He trusted God. He was prayerful. He prayed for what? For guidance. Nehemiah was hardworking. He completed the building the wall in how many days? 52. He was a team player. He motivated people to work, and he was also one of those, he joined in working. If you are a team player, you don't tell people to work. You also do what? Join in. He was a good planner. He allocated duties to all the people who are working on the rebuilding of the wall. He was very compassionate. That's why he protected the underprivileged. He told the wealthy not to oppress the what? The poor. That means he was compassionate. He was also patriotic. Someone who's patriotic loves their country. So he loved Judah. That's why when he heard that the state of the town was in risk, he went and got permission from who? Texas. He was wise because his enemies one time tried to trick him. And he made a wise decision. And he said no. He was also initiative. Someone who takes initiative is someone who you hear something and you take an action. He had the suffering of his people, so he took an action. He went there to Judah. He was honest. So he was honest because he always prayed to God. He was a role model. He practiced what he preached. And lastly, he was humble. Someone who's humble goes and seeks permission before doing something. He went to seek permission from King of Texas so that he can go back to rebuild the wall of Jerusalem. The last thing we are going to read today is relevance of Nehemiah's leadership to Christians today. As a Christian, what do you learn from that? How is it relevant to you as a Christian? So as Christians, it teaches us that we should be compassionate. We should be hardworking. You should, as a Christian, condemn any injustice that you see. You should trust in God. Be honest to God. When we are saying you be honest to God, you be open to God. No matter the problem that you have, you tell him. Also, as a Christian, you're supposed to worship, to promote the worship of God. You promote the worship of God. You be patriotic. And then as a Christian, you're not supposed to be discouraged by any criticism. When someone criticizes you, you're not supposed to be discouraged. He tells you you're not dancing well. Or they tell you you're not getting well in mathematics, you're getting an E. You should not be discouraged. Or tells you, I keep on teaching you and you don't get nothing. You should not be discouraged. You should keep on. Also, you should respect authority. You should pray as a Christian for your enemies. Just like the way he prayed for Sanballat and Tobiah. And then as a Christian, you should face challenges courageously. Any challenge that you face, you should have courage. For example, now we have the challenge of power. When he tell you, carry your desk to the DH, you should have courage and go there. Not to complain. You take courage. That's the example that I can give you. So from there, next time we'll start with problems faced by Nehemiah.